If you want to try adding Apothecary drawer lines to a dresser or nightstands, but you just aren't sure how, this is the exact process I used on these drawers. I started by removing all of the drawers and the hardware. Then once everything was off, I gave the drawer fronts a really thorough clean. I filled all the holes using Bondo first, and once the Bondo was almost dry, I scraped it back and then filled the holes again with wood filler. Before touching the drawers, I practiced using my router on some scrap wood. I switched the router to a 1/4 inch V-bit, tested the depth, and made adjustments until I was happy with the look. This step is important. You really only need one router pass, so getting the depth right ahead of time matters. When I went freehand, it went a little bit all over the place, so I made sure to clamp down a guide, then ran it through again, and I was pretty happy with where I was at. To lay out the lines on the drawer front, I measured each drawer into thirds, making sure everything lined up with the existing routed drawers that were already on the piece. Taking the extra time here helps the finished drawers feel intentional and consistent, not like some sort of decorative afterthought. I clamped a straight piece of scrap wood directly onto each drawer to act as a guide for the router. This keeps the lines straight and prevents slipping, especially when you're working on multiple drawers. After it was clamped in place, I measured everything again to make sure it was perfectly straight. I then routed my 2 lines per drawer, using the guide for each pass. And I repeated this process across all 4 drawers. Just a single controlled pass for each line, slow and steady. Once the lines were all routed on all 4 of the drawers, I sanded the drawer faces to remove any excess filler and to smooth out those routed edges. This final step softens the lines just enough and gets everything ready for the next stage of the finish. Check the description for all the products I used in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see how this dresser turned out, you can watch the full makeover here.